Hello, Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Generosity, energy, Sagittarius, yung generosity ninyo will be on display sa ngayon. Kasi maaaring merong mga umaasa sa iyo ng inyong tulong, maaring laging may kumakatok sa inyong pinto, no, para humingi ng support ng kahit anong form, no. So you're going to do kind deeds, no, towards other people sa ngayon. We have success, maraming tagumpay siguro ang paparating sa inyo dito, or meron kayong mga pinagfo-focusan sa ngayon, ano, you're putting your time, effort, and energy into it, at ngayon, finally, mapagtatagumpayan nyo na. So, that could be in anything, trabaho, career, negosyo, relationship, whatever it is, know that you are putting your efforts on, pagtatagumpayan nyo na yan. Present, journey into the garden to escape the two eternities, the past and the future. Ayan, so take a break daw, Sagittarius, no, take a break, or might as well release yourself, diba, from the influence of the future and your past. Kasi maaring ang iba sa inyo rito, you're still so focused, no, on the past, no. Tapos na yon, that's behind you. So dapat hindi na nandoon ang focus ninyo, because wala ka nang magagawa, 'di ba, para doon. It's beyond your control already, because it's already behind you. Kung sa future naman kayo maglalagay ng oras, panahon, attention ninyo, parang it's super impractical din, kasi you don't even know what to expect, 'di ba? You don't even know what is coming towards you, Sagittarius. Kaya ano ka muna, step back ka muna, no? Maghanap ka muna ng mahihingahan, 'di ba? Spend time with nature, absorb the healing powers of the nature spirits, at magiging magaan ang iyong pakiramdam. You can get yourself to the center again, at makapag-focus kayo sa present moment ninyo. Play, ayan, among the grass and wild violets lie undisturbed little secrets to uncover. Ayan, balanse, Sag, yan ang kailangan ninyo sa ngayon. That is what's being asked of you sa ngayon. So, maybe you're puro trabaho kayo, or puro kung anong mga parte, areas ng buhay ninyo pinagpo-focusan ninyo, but there's no time for yourself, no? Maaring nanineglect nyo ng mga needs ninyo, at maybe you are serving too many masters at a time, kaya lagi kayo nagmo-multitask, marami kayong ginagawa, maybe you're just focusing solely on work then, career, yung ganon, ano, at wala na kayong panahon para sa self-care, no? Kaya this is a reminder for you, no? All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy, diba? Kasi kailangan natin ng balanse. Tao lang tayo, kailangan nating magpahinga, kailangan natin mag-rejuvenate, mag-replenish ng lost energy natin, diba? We need to refill our cup. We have two of materials. Ayan, speaking of multitasking, ito na nga, you've been multitasking big time, Sagittarius, no? Kailangan ninyo na magpahinga. Ang dami-dami ninyong iniisip, ang daming naka-line up, no, na gagawin ninyo. And it's going to take a toll on you, no? Kaya this is asking you to balance, no? Bring the balance back in your life. Self-care kayo, alagaan ninyo yung sarili ninyo, prioritize your well-being, kasi kapag on top of your health kayo, when you're feeling better, or you're feeling at your best, makakasiguro kayo na you will be on top of your game, 'di ba? Kaya importante na i-prioritize natin yung ating well-being. Kahit marami tayong ginagawa, kayang-kaya natin yan, hindi tayo mapipressure, hindi tayo maaaligaga, because we are in good shape. Four of materials, take control of your money, Sag. This is an invitation for you to manage your resources wisely, manage your money wisely. Kailangan ninyo yan sa ngayon, okay? Kasi maaaring hindi kayo nakakasunod sa inyong budget plan. Maaaring hindi ninyo nasusunod ang allocation ng mga pera ninyo. Baka meron ditong mga spending na hindi necessary, 'di ba? Yung ganon, hindi naman needs, pero maaring yun ang napapaglagyan ninyo yung pera. So, manage your money as well, no? We have the Magician, napakaganda kasi wala na ditong procrastination, wala nang hesitation, wala nang doubts, no? At handa na kayong mag-take action towards whatever it is that you have envisioned for yourself. Maybe you are recognizing, no, na kung ano man ang mga kailangan ninyo para ma-carry out ninyo ang inyong gustong gawin dito na nandiyan na sa inyong paligid. That's why tatayo na kayo and you're going to make things happen. We have the Hermit. Ayan. So, kailangan ninyo ng pahinga, definitely. No? Kaya kayo iniimbitahan na magnilay-nilay, mag-time out muna kayo sa inyong ginagawa. Focus on yourself. Tune into your soul. Diba? Kasi pagod na kayo. No, you are all over the place. Maaring fragmented na ang isip ninyo. Wala na kayo sa focus. Kaya kailangan ninyo muna na mag-step back, mag-reflect kayo, connect with yourself. Okay? Ground yourself. Knight of Voices. Ayan. So, kailangan ninyo talaga na magpahinga, makapag-replenish muna kayo because things are going to speed up. Now, things are going to speed up. Nandito yung fast-moving energy. Kaya lahat, no, bibilis na naman ang lahat. Marami na naman kayong gagawin. There could be requirement sa inyo dito na maging mabilis, no, ang pag-akto ninyo sa mga bagay-bagay, no, na nasa paligid ninyo. Kaya kailangan talaga makapag-replenish na kayo ng energy ninyo at makapag-recharge na kayo. Okay? So, good luck. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.